Hey. So, I'm about to go somewhere that I've never been before. Super excited. I'm a new plant mom, and this place apparently is like an indoor oasis. It's called Rainforest Flora Inc. I believe that's the name. I'll double check. But I'm super excited. Never been. And guess what? You're gonna come with me. So, let's go ahead, get in the car, drive on over, and see what the inside of this plant oasis looks like. And I googled it, and apparently it's a nursery, like a wholesale nursery. So that makes me even super excited. I cannot wait to see what it's like. Let's go. We out here.
I'm going crazy, thinking about you, but you never met me. Can I play me? I've been back from when I was a baby. I'm getting crazy, never met me. Can I play me? I've been back from when I was a. I got it jealous, I can't help it, no it's not.
All right. We are here. We just pulled up. Can't see the sign. Can you see it? I don't know. I'll get it later. But we are here. It says welcome. Let's go ahead and find out what it's hitting for. Let's see. But you have an attitude. Look at the plants and stuff. I don't know if I actually want to buy any plants, but I thought it was a cool place. If you see something that you like, let me know. They have a lot of air plants. The turtles? Yeah, I see what you mean. Wow. What'd you say? Oh, you see them? Let me zoom in. Look at all these air plants. Would you pay me a lot of money? I don't know. I just don't think it would be scary.
I feel like it would be funny. So it's just sitting and then they walk up to you.
Oh, wow.
I wonder if the fish ever fight me.
Huh?
I wonder if the fish.
Look at all the colors though. god. What if this iguana was real? What if I took my hand out and he was real? That'd be scary.
Are you familiar with the AirPods?
No.
I'll give you a pair of shoes.
Yes, please do.
You can either like dunk them.
Right, I was reading that.
Do this. And then take a little shake off the extra water. Especially if you keep them inside, because if you keep them inside, there's not a lot of air movement or elements, so it stays wet a little bit longer.
Okay.
So it's good just to give it that quick shake and just put a nice bright face. And
Once a week, right?
Once a week. In the summer, maybe twice, or maybe split it, and you can just so you can stay a little bit hydrated.
Okay.
It should be fine.
Okay.
But I'll give you a little pair of shoes.
Okay. And then these, they don't have little tags. These other plants, they don't come with little tags.
Like
to know what they are, yeah.
Well, I'll tell you, this is either a heart-shaped fern or a tongue fern. I'll give you a little tag. And this is a terrace fern.
Okay.
I'll spill that for you. It's kind of weird.
This is hurting my arm.
Huh?
This is hurting my arm.
Okay. All right. Just got back. Hope you can hear me fine. Just got back from the Rainforest Floral Inc. Loved it there. First of all, the whole place is just a vibe. It's free to get in, so that was awesome. If I didn't have my son with me, I probably could have stayed there all day because it was just so relaxing. Like, seriously, you heard the water. It was great. All right, I definitely got to go back. I got some goodies, which you saw. She wrote everything down on a list. Working with the lady was super helpful. She, I asked her to write everything down for me, the name of some of the plants that didn't have tags. She wrote it down. She asked me, she said, if you don't mind waiting, I'll go in the back and I'll get some tags for you. I don't mind, sis, I don't mind. So she went back there, came back. It took a cool little minute too, at least like 2 to 3 minutes. But like I said, I didn't mind because I need to know what the name of these plants are so that I can take care of them. So she came back, wrote everything out for me, put them in an order so that, it all makes sense. I definitely took a picture just to help me because I'm visual. I need to see everything, and just in case things move and shift, I'll know what they are. But definitely loved it. If you are a plant mom or a plant enthusiast, you definitely should consider going. I'm trying to I was hoping I can get in the shade a little bit. There we go. That kind of works. Hopefully nothing crawls in my hair. But yeah, it was great. So much fun. I enjoyed it so much. Definitely will be back next time I need some plants. I only have gone downtown to actually buy plants, and if you're familiar with downtown LA, it's a lot cheaper. Everything's cheaper downtown. Everything's typically cheaper downtown. So I mean, I don't think the prices were too bad. I definitely would not have bought them if I thought they were too bad. Okay, scratch that. I probably would have, because I was like thirsting for plants. But no, I think the prices were very reasonable for what they were. They do wholesale prices, I guess, if you had a plant shop and you were trying to buy bulk, so that was cool. But I think the vibe alone was just like super awesome. Being able to walk through there, I just loved it. I just loved it. Like, I'm going back because it definitely gives you rainforest vibes. I mean, the waterfalls alone, I'm shaking a lot. Oh, my bad. I'm just so excited. But yeah, the waterfalls alone is enough to get me to go back, and you can just hear it. It was just so peaceful. The turtles, the koi pond. I am a fan of the hanging plants, the pothos and the other hanging plants. So I almost got another one, but I was like, let me wait. But now I think about it, I should have got one. I could have put it in my bedroom, because right now I only have one in my business, the Healing House. So now I think about, look, now I got a reason to go back. So I'll definitely be back. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on everything that I just showed you. Let me know if it's a place that you would consider going to if you are in Los Angeles. It was beautiful, okay? So let me know below. Like, comment, subscribe below, and let me know. All right, bye.